With its abundance of skin-brightening vitamin C, which makes skin brighter and healthier when applied, pineapples are a triple threat. The same principle applies to hair, fostering a favorable environment for strands to flourish on the scalp. Here are 5 simple ways to incorporate the fruit of the tropics into your weekend beauty regimen. 1. Spot therapy for irritated acne. A potent anti-inflammatory enzyme called bromelain has the ability to speed up wound healing. In fact, it is applied topically after surgery to encourage soft tissue recovery and avoid bruising. Apply a mask of crushed pineapple and turmeric to the region if you've nicked your skin when threading it or shaving, plucked a zit, or received a scratch. Turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces oxidation and the stress response. 2. A mask to promote growth for fragile strands. This treatment is very helpful for repairing dry, brittle, and damaged hair. By providing essential nutrients to hair follicles, pineapple enzymes enrich them. In turn, this enhances the flexibility and thickness of hair. To make a smooth paste, combine half a fresh pineapple with a few spoonfuls of each yogurt and olive oil. Put on a shower cap or a heated towel and allow the mask stay on your hair for around 20 minutes after applying it. 3. An exfoliating mask for brighter skin. Enzymes found in papaya and pineapple are frequently employed in skincare procedures and products. The glue-like linkages between dead skin cells are naturally broken by the protein-dissolving enzymes papain and bromelain. To make this at home, combine honey, pineapple, and papaya to get a paste that is smooth. The humectant qualities of the honey aid to lessen transepidermal water loss, while also soothing and moisturizing the skin. 4. A mattifying and purifying scrub for oily skin. Indian ladies have been using gram flour for years to lighten their skin and hide dark stains and imperfections. It contains a lot of zinc, which has been proved to reduce the inflammation and redness of hormonal acne papules. Additionally, zinc supports a more favorable oil balance, which mattifies the skin. To make a gritty scrub, combine gram flour, oats, and mashed pineapple in a blender. In contrast to gram flour, which absorbs all the extra oil on the skin's surface, pineapple serves as a chemical exfoliator. Because they include natural cleaners called saponins, ground oats are the ideal component to add to the gentle scrub. Vitamins include vitamin C, which shields the hair from oxidative damage, and vitamins B1 and B6 are abundant in pineapples. By soothing an itchy scalp and controlling sebum production, these components of yogurt along with the lactic acid and proteins help to stop hair loss. 5. A drinkable bright skin mask. A pina colada is a need for a day spent by the pool, and it's also the quickest way to have glowing and perfect skin. Put a pineapple in a blender with some coconut milk after it has been chopped. The mask should be applied to your face and neck, and left on for 15 to 20 minutes. Coconut milk cools and moisturizes skin while minimizing puffiness and redness, and pineapple is bursting with antioxidants that shield your skin from free radical damage. You may also use it on your hair if you make too much. An itchy, dry scalp that is prone to flaking and dandruff can be soothed with a 5-minute, gentle massage using the pina colada mask. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.